Welcome to our channel. Transferring USDC between exchanges is straightforward but requires attention to detail to avoid losing your funds. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. Click Deposit and search for USDC in the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Step 2. Select the correct network for USDC deposit. Binance typically supports multiple networks like Ethereum, ERC20, Polygon, and others. Choose the network that has the lowest fees while being supported by Coinbase. Step 3. Copy the USDC deposit address provided by Binance. Also note the selected network type, as you'll need to match this when sending from Coinbase. Step 4. Log in to your Coinbase account and go to the Send, Receive section. Select USDC from your asset list and click Send. Step 5. Paste the Binance USDC address into the recipient field. Critically important, select the same network you chose in Binance. Mismatched networks will result in permanent loss of funds. Step 6. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer. Coinbase will display the network fee, which varies depending on the blockchain network you selected. Step 7. Review all details including the address, amount, network, and fees. Confirm the transaction and complete any required two-factor authentication. Step 8. Monitor the transaction using the provided transaction hash. Check your Binance account to confirm the USDC has been credited once the network confirmations are complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.